Module 3, Financial Readiness for Operational. Lesson 3.1, Front Office Revenue and Audit Readiness. The front office serves as the hotel's primary revenue center. It acts as the single most critical control point for every guest transaction that occurs on the property. Audit Readiness is the financial module responsible for verifying the integrity, accuracy, and completeness of all daily revenue capture. This verification process must be finalized before the very first guest is invoiced for the day. Any systemic weakness at the front office level compromises the accuracy of the entire financial reporting system. The front office is the central point of revenue capture, providing the verifiable data necessary to protect the hotel's financial reporting from its point of origin. Technical readiness must precede daily operations, requiring direct certification by the Director of Finance. A primary pre-opening requirement is credit card gateway testing. This testing verifies the communication between the hotel's internal terminals and the bank's external payment gateway. This entire communication loop must adhere to payment card industry security standards to ensure the system is PCI compliant. Standard operating procedures for payment processing must be finalized before the property begins transactions. This involves training the front desk team on card acceptance, chip and PIN verification, and the protocols for handling pre-authorizations. Staff must also understand the security protocols for managing sensitive card data and handling potential chargebacks. Technical certification and these SOPs provide a secure infrastructure, ensuring the property is legally compliant before a single dollar is transacted. The central daily control for the hotel's finances is the night audit. The night audit is a mandatory daily process designed to close the business day and post summarized data to the general ledger. The first requirement of the audit is revenue reconciliation. Every cent of departmental revenue posted through the PMS and POS must match the supporting documentation and system totals. Let's consider the reconciliation of daily room revenue. The total room revenue posted must equal the figure derived from the occupied rooms report, multiplied by the confirmed room rates. This check confirms the absolute completeness of the revenue capture for that business day. It provides a mathematical guarantee that no daily charges were missed or recorded incorrectly. Revenue reconciliation replaces operational assumptions with data, consolidating decentralized transactions into a mathematically proven daily ledger. The second mandatory check is payment reconciliation. The audit accounts for all payment types: cash, credit, direct bills, and vouchers. Their sum must exactly equal the total recorded in the property management system. For credit cards, individual transactions must match the payment gateway batch total. For cash payments, the recorded amounts must exactly match the physical currency dropped into the hotel's secure safe. Balancing digital gateway totals and physical cash drops against system recordings prevents human error and financial misconduct. The final requirement for audit completion is rollover and system integrity. Before the system date can change, all guest and non-guest folios must be verified as balanced. A balanced folio means the charges applied equal the payments received. If a balance remains, it must be correctly transferred to the city ledger or accounts receivable. Once folios are balanced or transferred, the system date automatically rolls over to the next day. This rollover prevents current guests from being charged for services that occurred on a prior date. Any discrepancies found at the time of rollover are flagged for investigation by the finance department the following morning. System rollover functions as a firewall, locking in the accuracy of the previous day so the new business day begins with a clean ledger. Completing the night audit generates the verified data required for the daily revenue report. The Director of Finance uses this output to generate the DRR, providing a snapshot of the property's performance. This report offers hotel executives a consolidated and accurate view of the day's operations. It summarizes key metrics, including the average daily rate, RevPAR, and departmental revenue contributions. This framework is a core teaching of the Internal Controls Program at the Europe Hotel School, London. The systematic daily verification of these streams establishes a consistent rhythm of fiscal accountability. The integrity of these front office controls supports the hotel's financial health and profitability, serving as a primary defense against loss. A rigorous night audit is the definitive first line of defense against both accidental error and deliberate financial misconduct. Hotel profitability depends on a precise, daily commitment to audit readiness, where raw transactions are converted into a verified financial record.